Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and opening my November Starlux Starbox. Starlux is a monthly beauty subscription box company that sends you a box of full-size products, 3 or 4 products for $15. And it is a really awesome company. I really like their products and I also really like their boxes. This is the box for November. It's just white and I'll go ahead and open it. Ooh. You get the card. It says the November Starbox. On the back it has all of the items that you're gonna get. If you would like to go ahead and subscribe to Starbox for the month of December by tomorrow, December 10th, I believe, then you will be able to get the December Starbox, which contains the 15 Shade Pro Eyeshadow Palette. That is awesome. So I'll go ahead and jump into the products, and ooh, looks like there's a brush in here this time. That's exciting. This is the Slanted Liner Brush, and it just looks like that. And it looks like it would be good for the eyebrows or, you know, for eyeliner. And yeah, I love these kind of brushes, so I can't wait to use that one. And it also came with like a little sharpener, which I think is kind of cool. You could always use one of these for your makeup. Go ahead and jump right into this baby, which I believe is an eyeshadow palette. They're 5 shade shadow. Ooh, awesome. It looks like it's a very Christmassy, holiday-like palette with a bunch of different colors. So here's a look at all of the different colors. It looks like a really pretty palette. This is a nice golden shade, a coral shade, a navy blue shade, a sparkly taupey shade, and a nice highlight and brow bone shade. Lastly, you get the Infinity eyeliner. The packaging is so cool. So this is the Infinity eyeliner in Orion, which is a really pretty navy blue shade. Kind of like a tealish, bluish shade. I'd say this would go great with this eyeliner brush right there. There you have it. This is my November Starbox. I absolutely love every single one of these products and I can't wait to play with them, and I just think it's such a great subscription box, especially if you're looking for like a new and hip beauty subscription company. This is a great one, and they always send you full-size product like I said. If you're interested in getting the 15 Shade Pro Eyeshadow Palette, which they had last year in their December box, go ahead and subscribe by tomorrow to make sure that you get on that. And I'm sorry again that this video is super late, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.